Hey all of my beauties, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are really new, then hello, I am Monali, and if you already have subscribed to me, then thank you so very much. So in today's video I am going to use all the DIY remedies to get a facial glow on my skin, because I don't I like, even once in my life I never have a facial at the salon, because I'm very depressed of all the chemicals they use on the face. So yes, I'm giving you all the tips and tricks to do a facial at home. So further, without wasting the further time, let's quickly get into the video. And if you want to know about all the process, please watch this video till the end. So first we will cleanse our face, that is cleansing our face. Now what is about cleansing is that you have to clean your open pores, because you have a lot of dust and particles stick on your open pores, so you feel like there's a dirty somewhere, so you have to clean it first. For that, what I'm doing, I'm taking this towel, and with the help of towel I'm just rubbing this towel into the hot water. So I just have rubbed my towel into the hot water and I'm pressing it to my open pores where I have open pores. So I'm just pressing this. So after pressing, I can see that my open pores are quite open. So now what I will do, I will mix two ingredients to have a clean my open pores. So I'm just applying all on my open pores only. I'm just going to apply it on my open pores. You just have to take very much crushed sugar, because it will not work. You just have to take particles. You just have to grind it little, so it have some particles left into the sugar, so that can use as your scrub. Now I am let it dry on my skin for some minutes, not some minutes, even for some seconds, and I'm taking the brush. This is the kind of brush like I have used it, but it was before, and I have cleaned the brush, because if you really take a new brush, it will really harm your skin, or it will scratch out your skin. So I just taken this brush and I'm slowly just doing this with my scrub, like what I have applied on my skin. This is where I have kind of like blackheads or whiteheads, so I'm just slowly rubbing it. Don't do very harsh to your skin, it will damage it. Now I will take that towel which I have already used, but it is now not like hot, it is cold although. Now I am just cleaning this. So this will work as a scrub to your face, so it will just clean out all those area which you have dirt or particles, or you can call blackheads or whiteheads. Now the same scrub I will be using on my lips. Now for the second step, we are doing kind of exfoliating. Now exfoliating is really needed to your skin, because when we exfoliate our skin, our blood flow starts, and our skin started tighten up. For that I'm using coffee and honey. So coffee, like caffeine, is useful to tighten up your skin, because it starts your blood flow instantly, and it will also help you to like overcome a problem of inflammation. Like if you have inflammation around your eyes like I have, so it is useful for that purpose. So I'm just mixing two of them, coffee and honey. Honey is also useful, and if you have a like oily kind of skin texture, so you can also avoid honey, because it can also cause a lot of oil from the honey, so you can avoid honey. Instead, you can just take a water and mix it with the coffee. So I have just evenly applied two of the mixture on my skin. And I'm looking so scary, man, but I'll let it fix, like I'll let it be on my skin for good 15 to 20 minutes until you have to give enough rest to your skin. After that we'll wash it out, so I'm just giving rest to my skin.
A few minutes later.
So yes, after letting it dry or let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes onto your skin, you have to take a towel which is quite rough in the consistency, so you can exfoliate it well. You just don't have to rinse off or wash off your face after applying this. You just have to exfoliate it like this in the circular motion only. Now after this, I'm taking this tomato. This is half cutted tomato, and I'm rubbing this on my skin on the circular motion. Now tomato helps you to reduce your black cells and it increase your white cells. So tomato is basically used for acne treatment. Like if you have acne on your skin, it help you. So you just have to rub the tomato for 1 to 2 minutes every day to your skin. You can instantly see the glow on my skin. So after rubbing tomato, I'm just cleaning my face with the towel, and I'm just padding it. I'm not dragging the skin or pulling the skin. So now the last step is mask. Masking is really helpful to relaxing your skin. Like after masking, you do kind of massaging, so skin feels really relaxed. So I'm just combining 5 ingredients. Like the first is besan, which is help to brighten up your skin. In besan, I'm adding honey, beetroot juice, aloe vera pulp, and little bit of lemon juice. That all the ingredients are suitable for my skin. So you have to check out your skin type, what kind of ingredients suits you, that will help you on your skin to really on your skin texture. So please just take all the ingredients which are suitable to your skin. So yes, I'm mixing all the ingredients and applying evenly on my face. Now I'm letting this pack dry for like 10 to 15 minutes until all the texture get dry out. So I'm just waiting for that.
A few minutes later.
Now for removing the mask, I'll be spraying the rose water. I have this Ayurveda one. Like whatever rose water you have, just spray it onto your face. My pack is already dried, and I sprayed rose water to let it just a little bit wet, and I'm just removing the mask with massaging it into the circular motion. So I've just washed my mask, and oh my god, this is looking so much glowy skin. So last, and this is not the step, this is if you want to do it you can, and if you don't want to do it you can avoid it, but I love doing this. So I just lastly take ice cube and just rub into my skin. If you're not comfortable directly rubbing it onto your skin, you just have to take one hand hand towel kind of thing, which is quite thin in consistency, so you can feel the eyes. So I will just massage my skin. My last and final step is I'm just moisturizing my skin to get that moisturizer, because now you have a really dry skin. If you do like a lot of steps onto your skin, so you have to moisturize your skin and lips really well. And yes, this is it. I am I have used all the remedies which are really easily available near us. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
And please comment below what type of videos you want, because there are a lot of people who are asking me on Instagram. But please comment below in the YouTube, so I can get enough idea about what I have to do next. So yes, I am going to meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys, take care of you and your family.